Hello, it's Brent Schneider with Leverage and Lean, back again with another macro video. In this video, I want to show you the call action for the Excel calendar reminder macros. Let's see it in action. Alright, I'll start out by navigating to Outlook where I have a mocked up appointment that will show you how the call action works for the Excel calendar reminder macros. The first thing you're going to want to make sure is set up on this appointment is that you have a category set named Excel. I have the green color just because Excel is related to the green, but it's really the text Excel that this macro is looking for. Once it identifies a point with Excel, it's going to look to the subject line for the action being called. That's where you're going to put in the call action followed by the name of the macro you're looking to call. Now, where does this macro live and where does it need to be called from? That is where in the location field you're entering the entire path to the spreadsheet where that macro is and needs to be called. So to get this to fire, you're going to want to look at the appointment start time and then based on when the reminder triggers. So this reminder field is really important to ensure the reminder fires when you want, meaning the macro is going to be called when you want. And when you're ready to set this thing up, you can go ahead and just click save. And then you're just waiting for that calendar reminder to fire. And once that reminder triggers, it's going to call the macro within that spreadsheet. So you can see it's opening the spreadsheet, and then the macro within this is just a message box saying hello world. So I really think this macro is great. You'll see here there's the reminder, and if we look back to that calendar, you can just set this on your calendar and call this macro from that spreadsheet a one time or set it up reoccurring if you need this macro to be called on a frequent basis. Well, I really want to know what you think of this one. Do you love it? If you do, leave some comments. Could it be better? Feel free to leave some comments on that too. I really appreciate you watching. Stay awesome. Thank you so much for taking time to view this video. I really do appreciate it. If you want to use this macro you've seen in the video, just visit leveragelean.com. If you could do me another big favor, please subscribe to stay up to date on any new videos that I'm posting. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, connect with us on LinkedIn, check us out on Instagram. Stay awesome.